Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Chapter 13 plan understanding with Upsolve detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by visiting the Upsolve website. Look for the section dedicated to Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Once there, familiarize yourself with the basic concepts of Chapter 13 plans. Read through the information provided on repayment plans and timelines. Identify the key components of a Chapter 13 plan, such as income, expenses, and secured debts. Next, sign up for an Upsolve account if you haven't done so already. Log into your account to access personalized resources. Navigate to the bankruptcy tools available in your dashboard. Locate the Chapter 13 plan calculator. Input your financial details into the calculator to see how your plan may look. Review the guidelines on how to create or modify your plan. Take note of any specific requirements for your jurisdiction. Utilize the sample Chapter 13 plans provided on the platform. Compare your financial information with those examples. If you have questions, check the FAQ section for additional insights. You can also find detailed articles that explain common challenges in Chapter 13 cases. Join the Upsolve community forums to discuss your plan with others. Share your experiences and learn from others who are in a similar situation. After gathering all necessary information, draft your Chapter 13 plan based on your calculations. Ensure your plan adheres to the guidelines you have reviewed. If needed, seek advice from legal professionals for additional clarity. Submit your finalized plan to the court following the proper procedures. Finally, keep track of your plan's progress and make adjustments as necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively restore your understanding of a Chapter 13 plan using Upsolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.